folks, welcome to One Eats and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna prepare something really special but also quite simple, which is actually fried black rice with seafood or seafood fried black rice. But the most important 4 ingredients I have here is actually for this recipe, it's actually here the black rice. Okay. Yeah. The black rice is also known as the rice of longevity, especially in the Chinese medicinal diet, because of its nutritional properties and health properties. And unlike white rice, because it's been milled to remove all the nutrients, the black rice sustains all of it, and which is about 60% more nutrients than white rice, of course, right? So very crucial in this recipe. Next we have is the eggs. You can use any eggs, but this is organic eggs, right? And we have our trusted and aromatic garlic. Okay, so guys chopped it finely, which is great. And you can add more if you like, but it will become fried garlic rice then. But anyway, and another last but not least, the seafood. As you can see here, we have prawns, we have mussels, we have squid, all diced in cubes, I would say. Okay, and we have crab meat as well. So these are the 4 main ingredients. And first and foremost, I'm gonna cook the rice first. But basically, it's you're gonna cook it normally as you would a normal rice. And once that is done, I'll be back with a little bit of this. I'm gonna mix up a little bit of the sauce, and I'll show you that in a short while. Just wanted to show you guys how the rice looks like. If you don't have this rice, you can just use brown rice, but I encourage you to try to purchase this black rice, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna cook 2 cups. I'm gonna prepare the sauce, and first and foremost we're gonna add some water. Okay, just a little bit, and then we're gonna add the seasoning. I'm gonna start with the Maggi seasoning, or you can just use normal soy sauce. I like to add this is because it gives a little bit of sourness tinge to it. And then we're gonna add some dark soy sauce. Okay, there we go. Then we're gonna add some oyster sauce, or in this case the abalone sauce. You have, just use oyster sauce is fine. Don't be too stingy with this one. We're gonna have about 2 tablespoons of that. Last but not least, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of sesame oil to it. And that's about it. Alright. Next, we're gonna just mix it up. Now, you could also use a little bit of cornstarch if you like to thicken it up a little bit, but I think this is fine. Alright, so the sauce is ready. Beautiful. Now if you like, of course, a little bit of heat, you can always add some Tabasco sauce or anything. Be adventurous. You can add a lot of stuff inside here. Well, our black rice is ready. Look at that. Doesn't it look regal? Okay, so we're gonna start the cooking process. Right, so firstly we're gonna heat up a little bit of butter, and we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, to make sure that the butter do not burn. Let's coat the pan. Next, we're gonna add in the garlic. Sorry about the shadow. Trying to figure out what's the best position to cook and not block the view of the camera. Alright. What we want is not too brown because we're going to cook it with the seafood. This is going to be a very quick process because you don't want the seafood to be overcooked. Aroma. Next, we're going to add in a mixture of our eggs. Basically, the only salt and pepper added to this egg. There we go. Then we're gonna top up with our black rice. Oh man, wish I could transfer the smell over to the camera. When will that day ever happen? Not too far away in the distant future, I guess. Okay. Now we're just gonna mix everything up. Oh, smells delicious. Get the eggs to coat. Right, then we're gonna add this mixture of sauce we mixed earlier. Now we're just gonna heat it up until it's a little bit drier, and then we can serve. If you like, you can also add a little bit of pepper. Delicious. Do note I only added 2 eggs, and if you prefer, you can always add an extra one. Alright, looks about right. Off the heat. So there you have it. Fried black rice with seafood, or seafood fried black rice. Simple, delicious, nutritious, and sumptuous as well. Alright, let's give this a try. So good. It's like the taste of the seas here. Do give this recipe a try, guys. It's delicious. And I guess that's it. We are at MCO 3.0 in Malaysia right now, so we're stuck at home. But I hope this recipe, you guys will try it when you're at home. Alright, stay safe everyone. Do consider subscribing to our channel, and till the next video. Bye guys.